Yoga is the journey of the self, to the self, through the self, the Bhagavad Gita. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of yoga, but not just any yoga, yoga for beginners. If you're feeling overwhelmed, bogged down by stress, or simply curious about this ancient practice, then this video is for you. Yoga, beyond the physical stretch. Yoga often gets a reputation as just a physical activity, those fancy pretzel poses you see on Instagram, but it's so much more than that. Yoga is a holistic approach to well-being, a mind-body connection that goes way deeper than mastering a downward-facing dog. Your personal growth powerhouse. So, how does yoga fit into your personal growth journey? Here's the exciting part. Mind-body harmony. Yoga teaches you to listen to your body, how your thoughts and emotions affect your physical state. As you move and breathe, you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, a powerful tool for growth. The power of now. Yoga emphasizes mindfulness, being present in the moment. This translates into all aspects of life. By focusing on your breath and body, you learn to manage stress and make more mindful choices. Inner peace is the new superpower. Regular yoga practice cultivates a sense of inner calm. Releasing tension and negative thoughts creates space for joy, gratitude, and a more positive outlook on life. Getting started on your yoga journey, ready to embark on this path to a more relaxed, mindful you? Here are some beginner-friendly tips. Find your perfect fit. Look for beginner classes with certified instructors. Explore different yoga styles to find one that resonates with you. Vinyasa, Hatha, or Yin. There's something for everyone. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself. Focus on gentle exploration, not perfect form. Yoga is a journey, not a gymnastics competition. Breathe deeply. Your breath is your anchor. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly throughout each pose. Modifications are your friend. Don't hesitate to modify poses. Use props like blocks or straps to support yourself. Be patient and consistent. Like any new skill, yoga takes practice. Be kind to yourself and attend classes regularly to see the benefits unfold. Bonus tip: explore yoga philosophy, yamas and niyamas. These principles focus on compassion, honesty, discipline, and self-care, further enriching your personal growth journey. So, there you have it. Yoga is a powerful tool for stress relief, self-discovery, and inner peace. Remember, it's a journey to embrace, not a destination to conquer. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let yoga guide you to a more mindful, fulfilled you. Thank you for watching. If today's journey has inspired you, consider sharing this video with someone who might also benefit from its transformative message. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more enlightening content. Additionally, if you're on a journey towards healing, feel free to explore the selected items and resources provided in the description box below. Keep growing, keep shining, and always remember, the magic is within you. Until next time, stay magical.